how would you say you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling absolutely great. To be honest, I didn't get much sleep last night. There's a lot of pressure. The world's watching. This is an unprecedented stunt in history of Splash Mountain art, but I think I can do it. The goal here is to paint Splash Mountain within 2 minutes before the drop on Splash Mountain. Okay? Never been tackled before, but I'm feeling confident to do it. There's no time for a dry run, only a wet run.
You talked about the time constraints, but what about the physics of this whole situation? Jostling around in a log, going over waterfalls, how are you gonna handle that?
It's never been done, but I kind of see myself as Michelangelo painting the Sistine Chapel on his back, right, the scaffolding. Except in this case, Splash Mountain in a moving wet log.
You know, I think we got to thank Tony Baxter and his team at Imagineering for making such a great experience for us. As a theme park designer, I felt this was the proper way to give my favorite attraction a socially distanced goodnight kiss before it's gone for good.
So you mentioned the eyes of the world are on you, but more importantly, what about the eyes of all these critters that are watching? Will that be a distraction?
There's definitely a critter factor at play here, not gonna lie. I love them, so I've just gotta remain focused on the drawing and on the mission, and hopefully I can get through it. It's gonna be tough. This is it. That was a close call. Very, very close call.
That's what you ask us. That's what we know. Very good show. Very good show. On every road, a little bit of fun. Time to get moving along. Time to get moving along. Time to get moving along.
Back to it. To the end, baby. We're coming up to it.
So you're looking for a laughing place.
Gotta get Brown in. This is it. Oh! think? Oh my God. I think we freaking made it.
Oh, all right.
I think we made it.
Give me a quick blow up. Did you ever get fall behind?
Oh my God. I'm so stressed right now, but look, it's pretty good. Mission success, I would say.
Absolutely, looks fantastic.
Wow, it's wet. It's wet, but I've got watercolor paper here because I planned for this. So it's thick enough where hopefully it won't warp too bad, but the markers are running a little bit. But I think it adds to the appeal of this drawing, right? Full color, Splash Mountain on Splash Mountain 2020. You saw it here, folks. How do I feel? I feel outside myself. I feel great. I had people telling me my whole life something like this wasn't possible, and you know, all my years of training as an artist, a designer in the theme park industry, going to college, growing up, it's all led to this moment right here, and I wouldn't change a thing. I did have some checkpoints planned to tell myself I wanted to be ready for color at this point in the ride. Around the Briar Patch where we see Brer Rabbit about to leave home on an adventure, I was behind. I didn't finish the black and white marker until Mr. Porcupine. And so I thought I was done for. I thought I was screwed. But we pulled through. Look at this. For what it is, it's not a masterpiece, but in context, it's a Picasso.
Zippity, wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Zippity doo dah, zippity
That's it. You saw it here, folks.
Just go by yourself.
On a scale of 1 to satisfactual, what would you rate this drawing?
I would put this in a mid to high to satisfactual. And I think the real question is now, where do we go from here?
Thank you. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum.